तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hi guys, welcome to Screen Guru. So here I am with our daily current affairs series, that is 10 minutes and 10 plus current affairs. So let's start with 8 December 2021 current affairs. So first question goes, who is the Deputy Prime Minister of New Zealand? Prime Minister सर सबको पता होगा right? लेकिन Deputy Prime Minister पूछा है. तो options are Jacinda Ardern, Grant Robertson, Chris Hipkins and Dr. Megan Woods. So if you are aware, she is the Prime Minister of New Zealand, right? So she cannot be the Deputy Prime Minister. So बच्चे हमारे पास ऑप्शन 3, तो इसमें से राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज ग्रांट रॉबर्टसन. ये दोनों जो है ना उनका पोर्टफोलियो अलग है. दे आर ऑल्सो मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ द न्यूजीलैंड बट दे हैव अ डिफरेंट पोर्टफोलियो. मूविंग अहेड, रिसेंटली Ibrahim Ismail Ibrahim, a very famous leader, South African leader as well as a national leader, who was known internationally for his movements and for his leadership. So unfortunately he became immortal and hence he was in news. So the question is, when was he arrested? In which year? Arrested in which year? तो हिंट ये दे देता हूँ मैं कि नेल्सन मंडेला आप जानते होंगे. सो नेल्सन मंडेला के साथ इन्होंने जेल टर्म किया है, ठीक है. ही वॉज इन जेल विथ नेल्सन मंडेला. सो द ऑप्शंस आर 1963, 1945, 1972 and 1960. So here the right answer is option A, that is 1963. Let me give you a few more insights into it. So jail was Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was also imprisoned at the same time, and he was a member of with Nelson Mandela, and he was a member of ANC, that is African National Congress, ठीक है. He was a member of this particular party, and he held, after political leaders were released from the jail and when Nelson Mandela became the president of South Africa, Ibrahim Ismail Ibrahim held various portfolios, various leadership positions. One of them was Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs. Okay, questions can be asked, so please make a note out of this. Moving ahead, we have third question, South Africa's first democratic president. Options are Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King Jr., Helen Joseph and Steve Biko. तो यार ऑप्शन बी तो कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा बिकॉज ही इज रिलेटेड टू अमेरिका, राइट. एंड द राइट आंसर गोज वेरी इजी, ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज नेल्सन मंडेला. दे बोथ आर फ्रीडम फाइटर्स ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका, फ्रीडम फाइटर्स ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका. ओके, मूविंग अहेड, हु बिकेम द सेकंड इंडियन टू हेड द वर्ल्ड एलपीजी एसोसिएशन. Okay, so options are Rajesh Gopinath, G. Satish Reddy, Sri Sajal Prakash and S.M. Vaidya. So here the right answer is S.M. Vaidya. Okay, he became the second Indian to head World LPG Association, and he is also the current chairman of Indian Oil. ठीक है, Indian Oil जो कंपनी है उसके चेयरमैन है ये S.M. Vaidya जी, ठीक है. मूविंग अहेड, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. President of Indonesia is in news, right, due to the current volcanic eruption of अगर आपने पिछले वीडियो देखा होगा तो मैंने माउंट सिमेरू के बारे में क्वेश्चंस दिए थे और उसके बारे में कुछ बताया था आपको. सो इंडोनेशिया इज़ वेरी मच इन न्यूज़, सो दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड अगेन बिकॉज ही हैज़ गिवन स्टेटमेंट. सो प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडोनेशिया आपको बताना है. ऑप्शंस आर जोको विडोडो, इब्राहिम मोहम्मद सोलिह, महातिर मोहम्मद एंड इब्राहिम राइजी. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, वेरी इजी, जोको विडोडो. ओके, इब्राहिम मोहम्मद सोलिह, महातिर मोहम्मद, ये अलग कंट्रीज के प्राइम मिनिस्टर और प्रेसिडेंट है. मूविंग अहेड, सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, एनडीपीएस एक्ट वाज इनैक्टेड इन. एनडीपीएस इज इन न्यूज, राइट, ड्यू टू बॉलीवुड recent cases from the Bollywood, recent cases on various celebrities as well as the politicians. So NDPS is very much in news, so you should know the act was enacted in which year. So options are 1980, 1985, 1990 and 1995. So here the right answer is option B, that is 1985. Now NDPS is related to narcotics. Okay, we will move ahead. Seventh question, which is the highest लिटरेरी अवार्ड ऑफ इंडिया? व्यास सम्मान, कालिदास सम्मान, सरस्वती सम्मान और ज्ञानपीठ अवार्ड. So these are all literary awards, right? Awards for the writers. So here the right answer is option D, that is Jnanpith Award. So it is the highest literary award of India. Please make a note out of it. Moving ahead, who is an Indian origin American? ये J नहीं है, ये I है. American chosen by NASA among 10 people for human space flight to moon. Okay, so human space flight project जो नासा का है टू मून, उसमें इंडियन ओरिजिन अमेरिकन कौन सा है नीचे दिए गए ऑप्शन में से? सो अनिल मेनन, वेंकटरमन राधाकृष्णन, अनिल जैन और कार्ल पेन. सो हियर द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ई, दैट इज अनिल मेनन. ही इज अ PIO, दैट इज पर्सन ऑफ इंडियन ओरिजिन, एंड ही हैज़ ऑल्सो बीन इन US एयर फोर्स. ठीक है, US एयर फोर्स में थे वो, एंड रिसेंटली he has been chosen by NASA for space flight to moon among 10 others. मतलब टोटल 10 लोगों को सेलेक्ट किया है, उसमें से एक इंडियन अमेरिकन अनिल मेनन है. Moving ahead, we have the 9th question. Ashes Cup is associated with which game? Cricket, hockey, tennis or football? Very easy, right? It is related to cricket. Ashes Cup अभी बहुत चल रहा है न्यूज़ में because it is going on, right? So you should know. If you aren't aware, please make a note. Very easy as well as very important. Basic है यार ये. तो क्रिकेट है. Ashes Cup is associated with cricket game. And Ashes Cup is played between which countries? So options are Australia, England, Australia, New Zealand, New Zealand, England, and England, South Africa. So the right answer being Australia, England. ठीक है, ये पता होना चाहिए आपको. It is a test series between these two countries and it is famous for its Ashes Cup. ठीक है, इसका इनिशियल बहुत पहले हो चुका था, लेकिन Ashes Cup जो ट्रॉफी थी वो ट्रॉफी कब से आने शुरू हो गई? 1882 से. फाइन. So I hope you are done with the questions. So here comes our homework. Who was recently awarded the Jnanpith Award 2022? Very important question. So find it out. Options are Neelmani Fuquen, Damodar Mauzo, अनिता देसाई और किरण देसाई. ठीक है, कमेंट करके बताना मुझे इसका राइट आंसर क्या है. I will reply to you, revert to you. And yes guys, I will be sharing this PDF on our Telegram channel. So if you aren't a member of that, please do make sure that you join it. On Telegram you can directly search Screen Guru. You will find the channel as well as the discussion group. Join in both the channels if you want. So these are the answers. I will share this PDF on the Telegram so that it is easier for you to make notes. I hope you are doing good. That's all. That's Screen Guru for you. Have a great time ahead. All the best.
Just then.
भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए. करो फिर, हमारी पावर है, हमारी पावर है. जब तक हम कह रहे थे करो 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 तो कह रहे थे तुम करो. आज हमने कर दिया तो कह रहे हम करेंगे, तो करो ना भाई.